So we've just arrived at the beach part of Tenerife. We're not really sure where we're going, but I've not got my glasses on or my contacts in, so I can't actually really see what's going on. But yes. She cannot say no. She just bought sunglasses, you know. She just bought sunglasses. No way! Whoa! It's freezing! No, I'm not going in that cold water, please. Yo, look at her. Nah, not me. I thought I would vlog to show you guys that I have become one of those people that have, I mean, this is what Tenerife does to you. Do you know what I mean? Literally. Yo, Tenerife could have done that to me, but he didn't do that to me. It's just down to you, innit? No, it's actually not. I wouldn't finna have that. You know what? You don't care about your own eyes. That's your own problem. I care, okay? People are looking at me strange, do you know what I mean? And you've just got to film it. What, fam? Got these for €5 from my brothers on the beach. Just have to film it. You've got to be that. If you're about that life, you've got to be about that life. Do you know what I mean? Let me have a feel. Let me take them on mine. Come on. I'm gonna say, come on, you know. Tanisha, how can you walk around like this? You have to. Genuinely. My eyes are too squinch up, I can't see. So and then when I've got my contacts in, I just can't see still. Listen. You got to do what you got to do. I'm still popping. I'm still, you know what I'm saying, the boss chick. So you just gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Tenerife is so gorgeous though. Oh my god, this guy's running to me.
Litter, we don't litter.
Oh my days. So we've been to the beach. And we're off home now. Back to the resort. Been so good. We're all burnt to a crisp on my forehead. Can't wait to go back, get in the shower. We went in the ocean, it was so lovely. Literally the ocean was so lovely. Now I just need to get some food, really. It's been the hottest day today, I feel like. God, please, I beg you, 7-Up, I beg you. You know when your holidays, you know when it's so hot that you need to relax out of the sunshine? It's actually mad. I feel like I need to go back to take a break and go back to England and then come back and finish the holiday.
Just get a cold breeze.
Because
so what we saying?
My lips are burning out.
In the shower.
And get ready for dinner. Yes, please. Because I'm doing my makeup tonight. I'm not doing no makeup because what makeup's going to suit you and your black self. It will. I'll just do. Oh my god, my face is crusted over. Jesus, please. Let me buy you something. Oh, it's not pictures of it. This place is so beautiful. I definitely recommend it. If you're in Tenerife, Siam Park, there's so much to do here. The food is nice because that's what we've been struggling. We can't find no good food in Tenerife. We might just have to come here for food. And this is what Jordan said: buy a ticket to get in and just have some food. But yeah, it's so beautiful and picturesque, and I'm so upset that I left the camera
We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
The nicest ice cream, pistachio. Yes. Oh my god, I look disgraceful. It is so nice here. This girl keeps calling me. Hello? Can I help you? Hello? Hello? It is so nice here. Me and Jordan have just been on all the rides. It's so bright, I can't even see. Kim wants me to take a picture of her. Like, ain't nobody got no time for this. Like,
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Take a picture of me. I mean, hello.
throat poke. Are you good, yeah? This is the boat that we're going on today. Yes. Oh my gosh, our teeth look so yellow. Is my lips dripping? On a boat ride. Just got on. Gonna see some dolphins, some whales. Can't wait. I went in the sea, but guess who didn't vlog it? Tanisha. Well, it was a scary process. What did Jordan do? Nothing. Classic. That's all it's good for doing nothing. Can you hear me? I can't run. Oh God. I don't know what's that. Oh my gosh. You didn't need to get anything else, babes.
just finished eating at Tony Roma's or something, and we're just kind of like aimlessly wandering around. I think it gets to a point in the holiday, like the last day, where we've done everything that we want to do, and then we just start wandering around Tenerife.
Come get lost with me. 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 Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me.
Hey, yeah, you said I was knocking. Hey, don't trust the Spanish, fam.
What?
Are you good? This tastes like it's got a bit of alcohol in it. Went to the pool. Dip up in the pool because it's cool and refreshing.
Oops, what she got
And
here?
now we're just playing some cards, trying to figure out. Oh my gosh. Trying to figure out if we're gonna go for dinner or not. Can I help you? I've got an outfit I want to wear.
Listen.
This one's stunning for the camera.
Okay.
Girl, don't hurt yourself.
Listen.
So, where'd you get the spoon from? Bye, Felicia.
Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost.
Sienna.
Just go away with me, darling.
Time to go home.
Play. All day, every day.
I'm so ready to go home. Cheers.